Hey guys, it's widebody scat 520 back at you with another video. Today I'll be installing these carbon fiber shifter paddles to go with the rest of the interior of my 2020 widebody scat pack. I'll be installing these today. Hopefully it goes really simple. How's your day been, folks? Hope you're ready for Christmas, because it's coming whether we're ready or not, right? Hope everyone's ready. Hope everyone's happy. Hope everyone has enough money to buy whatever their children, spouse, girlfriend, family members, whatever they need or want. I hope that they're all able to buy whatever they need for their family. There you go, guys. Just put the sticker on the inside, and it will go. This will be on the left side, and then here is the one for the right. As you can see, very nice. Got these off Amazon, guys. Imagine that. I had purchased some silver ones off of eBay, but they were not as good of a quality as these seem to be. These are really, really nice. And plus they'll go with the accents on the interior, which is always nice for everything to match, right? Now this will go on the right, and they will just sit right down on there, guys. I'll show you. You can see they go up in these little ledges here. It sits right down on top of your paddle shifters, your factory paddle shifters. You know, they're not real big on these scat packs. They were bigger on the wide body, or not on the wide body, but on the SRT Chargers, and they're a lot bigger on the Hellcats. Those cars seem to get everything that ours don't, but mine does have the SRT pages and things like that. I'll start it up and show you whenever we're done installing these, which may take a few minutes to get these stickers off. Oh, maybe not. Am I getting lucky? Surely not. Wow, that was simple, guys. I promise it's not that easy. It's never that easy with these things. Everything always messes up. But you're going to set it down on top of it, and just make sure that it's in the right spot, and then press and hold. Now make sure you clean the back of your shifters off with some isopropyl alcohol, and a paper towel is usually what I use for all this stuff to installate it, for the installation and to help install everything, get everything looking nice. Just hold it there for a few seconds. It's raining and nasty here in eastern Kentucky today. I'm inside my garage here at my home in Paintsville, Kentucky. Wherever you are, I hope the sun's shining, and I hope it's beautiful, even though it is starting to get nasty with winter time, isn't it? But here in Kentucky, we have just a few more months, and then we'll be back to the wonderful, decently warm weather and beautiful time here in Kentucky. And we'll have a lot more to vlog about, a lot more to drive about, won't we, guys? Have a lot more places to go. Be a lot of car shows with some really, really nice vintage cars, guys. Really nice vintage cars. You guys are going to like that. If you love old cars and really great people, you're going to really like the car shows here in eastern Kentucky. A lot of old guys and young guys, but mostly the old guys. And a lot of beautiful cars completely restored from the frame up. Just gorgeous. 57 Chevys, 63 Corvettes, just everything, just too gorgeous, you know. The things you don't see. It's just a beautiful, beautiful car. I love a 63 split window. That is my favorite car. Split window Corvette, 1963. I would like to have a 69 Corvette and a 69 Camaro, the years of my birth. I would love to have one of those. Or both. And here you go, guys. I'm going to turn you around. And we're back. There we go. That's the installation. See, it just goes over top of your factory paddle shifters. Very simple. Very, very simple. I've been cleaning on Jezabel is her name. I've been cleaning on her a little bit today. As you can see, we've got the carbon fiber. Now, I have a complete shift cover coming for this. So it'll cover all this and make it completely carbon fiber if it ever gets here. This is the interior. Added carbon fiber. I have a carbon fiber ring coming for this as well. I like WeatherTech, guys. WeatherTechs have never let me down. They always go up high and cover really well on the inside of these Chargers. I'm telling you. In other cars, they may not. But now, man, in these things, they really, really work well. It's my wife's car, S550 Mercedes. As you can see, have some carbon fiber up here, all the way around, as well as a sunglass case. Also have the scat pack symbol. We'll go ahead and start her up. She does have a factory exhaust on her. As you can see, it does have the SRT pages with custom. Here's my custom. I like the transmission in sport so it doesn't shift so hard on the vehicle. Kind of eases through traction in sport. But I do like my suspension and steering and track so the car is stiff and will not give a lot. Now the auto on these things, guys, adjusts to how you're driving it. So I'll show you that. Here's sport. As you can see, there's track. Now here is my auto. As you can see the way I drive. The car automatically adjusts to how you drive, folks. I thought that was really great for it to do that. Really good stuff. Guys, this has been Widebody Scat 520. Thanks again for watching. I hope you're enjoying my videos. And there's our finished product for today, our paddle shifters. Thank you so much. I hope you're having a great day. And if you're not, fight through it. Tough times don't last, but tough people do. So be tough in this world, because we're sure going to need to be, aren't we? As I said, this is Widebody Scat 520. Thanks for watching. Have a good evening or a good day.